Good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is in your area. New Virgin Islands product coming out to you. You know, we had the VI mask. We had that come out massive 1 year. Now, look at this swag bag. VI with a VI patch on it. And then we have the VI navy blue and gold VI mask ready to go. Ready to go. So contact me, Tutress at yahoo.com. You place your order. Look at the description. Thank you for coming. If you haven't been here before, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this out. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.